starting to become cloudy, the wind is picking up, and I'm positive there's a few storms nearby. It seems like stormy conditions are expected to continue into Friday and this weekend, as well as a warning issued for the possibility of severe storms. So let's look at the forecast. Accumulation models are showing more showers and thunderstorms expected to bring significant downpours for parts of the Free State, the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal on Friday, reaching the southern parts of Gauteng. But it's then into Saturday that a coastal low will move close to the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, pushing in more moisture. Our ECMWF accumulation model is picking up more than 100 millimeters, likely to accumulate up until Saturday night. And I'm sure the South African Weather Service will issue a warning for flooding in due course. This can still change according to the position of the low pressure system, but currently we are expecting heavy downpours south of Richards Bay, especially on Saturday. But this Friday, isolated thunderstorms moving down from Namibia over parts of the Northern Cape, becoming scattered over the eastern areas as well as the Free State and the high velds of Mpumalanga, with widespread showers and thunderstorms over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape as well as the Drakensberg and the extreme western areas of KwaZulu-Natal. The Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe thunderstorms on a Friday, which could lead to large amounts of small hail and damaging winds, and also heavy downpours likely over the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Starting your forecast in the Western Cape, where it's going to be a mainly sunny and a slightly warmer afternoon, especially over the interior. But we still have a cool onshore southerly wind for the coastal areas, with maximum temperatures remaining in the lower 20s, a high of 27 in Robertson, mainly sunny, and 24 in Swellendam. A cool onshore southerly wind keeping the garden route chilly, with a high of 21 in George, only 19 in Plettenberg Bay, becoming partly cloudy after a hot day. Isolated thunderstorms expected to move down from the central Karoo over parts of the Eastern Cape and becoming scattered to widespread over the northeastern areas, where the South African Weather Service is warning against large amounts of small hail and heavy downpours, which could lead to localized flooding. Mostly cloudy skies for KwaZulu-Natal, isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, becoming scattered over the western areas, and a 30% chance of a few thunderstorms reaching the coastal areas. It's partly cloudy in the low velds with 32 degrees in Skukuza, and then later isolated to scattered thunderstorms expected over the high velds. Later becoming partly cloudy after a warm day in the low velds, very isolated thunderstorms likely to move in from the east. In northwest, we're expecting temperatures in the upper 20s, and then becoming partly cloudy with isolated patchy thunderstorms expected from the afternoon into the late afternoon. The Northern Cape, we can still expect that onshore southerly wind to blow fresh to strong at times, a thick band of cloud and showers with a few thunderstorms moving down from Namibia over the central part and becoming scattered over the northeastern areas. After a warm to very warm afternoon, becoming partly cloudy and stormy in the Free State, especially over the southern areas. In Gauteng, hot over the northern areas, very isolated thunderstorms possible over Pretoria, and a 30% chance for the southern and central areas. On Saturday, as mentioned, that low pressure system moving close to the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, heavy downpours are likely, and the South African Weather Service will issue warnings in due course. But on Sunday, thunderstorm activity moving a little bit more west over parts of the Karoo, the Western and the Eastern Cape, a few more showers and thunderstorms moving down over the Northern Cape, Northwest Free State, with more isolated showers and thunderstorms for Gauteng and surrounding areas. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.